Hi, my name's Sam Kay. I've been working for Brighton Hove Council for the last 3 years now, doing public toilets. Previously, when I'm from London, people used to not really speak to you in the morning. Now everyone's happy, bubbly. It's a lovely community. Love working in the Brighton Hove areas. It's better to work in different areas around the city, because if you're in the same spot all the time, you don't notice the little problems that are happening in the same site. So if you move site to site to site, at least you can pick up on other people's work and actually help each other as a team. I think it's easier running 2 sites than 1 site, because if you're running 1 site, you're cleaning up and then you're sitting around for half an hour doing nothing. Where if you're running 2 sites, you've always got something to do. I find on our shift pattern teamworks work perfect, because I keep in contact with everyone. Normally I go around and do the deep cleans as well, so we all keep connected. If there's any problems, we'll call each other up and we'll meet up and help each other out, which is I think is perfect, because I haven't had that in any other jobs I've had before. So, and now we're on nearly 10 to £11 an hour. There's nothing to complain about. At the end of the day, it's good money. At the end, you get a good pension at the end of it. If you need overtime and stuff like that, they'll put you onto different areas so you can go onto the roads and everything else. So, in my eyes, I think it's perfect, because it changed my life completely. I've made mistakes in life, and coming here has made me feel happier in myself. If you know what I mean, I'm stronger in myself. If you know what I mean.